Hey guys, so obviously I'm super hot. I hope I'm actually in the video right now. I can't see the other side, but we are just laying the cardboard. Jonathan already built my raised beds for me. I'll put in the description box everything that we use to build the raised beds, but I'm just throwing in some cardboard over the grass, and he's actually backing up the truck so we can start dumping the dirt.
Don't touch my knife, okay?
Look at my babies over there. Oh, look at them. They ready to be in some dirt in the ground. Well, not really in the ground, in the raised bed. Again, Micah.
Hey! Hey, guys! I'm in the truck! I'm in the truck! Stop stepping down. Right, stop stepping. Stop stepping. That lot of dirt. That lot of dirt, Mommy. It's amazing. Yeah, that one. Okay.
You got no shovel?
What's up?
I need your shovel.
Oh.
Not that show. You gotta be kidding me. I didn't get down.
Okay.
Nah, I would have jumped it.
It's gonna be 11 and a half instead of 12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Fly. Yeah.
Excuse me, Micah. Can you just step over to the side? Either like one side or the other.
Perfect.
Don't touch the tripod.
So remember this, 13, 24 and a half, 36, 47 and a half, and 59. You gotta remember that.
No, I remember 59, 30 something, and a something something.
Can you hold this or
Yeah.
something like that? Just hold it right here. No, over here.
Oh,
Yeah. Just hold it.
check. No pencil, not check. 2 pencil, check. Garden bed, check.
Come on, buddy. Come on. Can you see this?
You said what? One fell to dirt. Soon.
In the dirt.
In the dirt. What is it? 4.
Could have probably stapled it.
Slit it coming in the dirt.
Is that what people use screws to hold the
Mm-hmm. They just tied the string around the screw.
How much string you got?
I got no string. Might not have it all out here, but I got
Oh,
I got
it's
enough.
not one long piece?
No,
So would you mind if I use my long string? Because actually all we got to do is hook, 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 hook.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
So
I didn't know you had a long string.
it's nylon string, but
I mean, it don't matter what it is. String is string.
I just put them on the ground.
Can you do one twist around? Oh, I guess it don't matter.
oh,
Sorry.
what's the point?
There's not one, so that's why I said never mind.
Is that tight enough?
Yeah.
What are you talking about, baby?
What are you talking about, Randy?
All right. I need the screw and a screwdriver. Where's the screws at,
The
buddy?
screwdriver. Where's the screws you have?
Right there, right under you.
Ain't that camouflage up in there?
Just
Just
one.
give
I just
Daddy
need one. Actually, I might need more than that, but for now.
did. I remember. Daddy can't step all the way over here. Do you hear me?
You can't what?
He can't step all the way over here.
Can you have a screwdriver?
Give Daddy the screwdriver. I mean, the screwdriver. The drill.
No, not the gun. That.
That's right.
What? The gun?
Oh, can you get the screw in again?
Yeah.
I have scissors if I need to cut that and tie it off or not.
You need some more screws. There.
Oops.
Everything else. Now. Mommy.
What?
Oh, it looks like we need a little bit small. Looks like we need a little bit small.
What do you think?
Yeah, looks good.